My name is Shreya Rao from Section A, and I'm going to speak on the topic the rise of unemployment in India in the wake of COVID 19. So, the COVID 19 pandemic has impacted economies around the globe like no other event that experts can recollect since the Great Depression has ever done to the economies of the world. Some of the strongest economies around the globe, like the USA and China, are struggling to cope with the situation in the wake of an unprecedented demand shock and the shutdown of all key activities that drive growth in various countries. In India, the latest unemployment figures, which were released by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy or the CMIE, are another evidence of the economic weakness which is faced by the country today. The CMIE data show that nearly 5 million or 50 lakh of salaried jobs were lost in July of 2020, which took the total number of layoffs in the formal or the salaried sector to over 1.8 crore. While some businesses in the informal sector have reopened post lockdown relaxations and there is some growth in the informal sector, they are still struggling to survive, which is due to the lack of demand and which is constrained by the lack of available workforce because of the lack of migrant workers. It may be also noted that 21% of all employment in India is in the form of salaried employment, which is a far, far lower figure than the number of those engaged in the informal sector. In spite of this, the people who are employed in the formal sector are playing a much more major role in the GDP of the country. So, while employment in the informal sector and the rural areas have seen a growth since April, the lack of improvement in salaried jobs is a very worrisome thing for the overall all growth of the country. The salaried jobs contribute much more to the country's GDP than employment in the informal sector. This is which is largely dependent on the formal economy, and the bloodbath in salaried employment began in April when about 17 million jobs were lost, following which about 4 million additional jobs were gained in June, but then again another 5 million jobs were lost in July. So, the plight of the salaried employees has only worsened since the lockdown began in 2020, which was shown again by the CMIE data. So, although rural employment numbers have gained momentum since the lockdown first began, its impact on the growth will be much less because of the lack of demand in urban areas. Many reports by and many experts of economy also show that people in urban households have cut their monthly expenses and are spending much less on things like entertainment and are only spending on basic necessities. If the demand continues to remain subdued in urban areas, then the subsequent cash flow to the informal and rural economy will also be impacted severely, and it will continue to be so if there are more job losses in the formal economy. Experts say that most businesses depend on the cash flow from the formal economy or the salaried jobs. So the economic situation could worsen much more if some more salaried jobs are lost, especially in the wake of the second wave of COVID, which we can see right now. If the government doesn't step in and take some strong measures, then the condition of the economy could worsen further if there is more rise in the rate of unemployment. Thank you.